Now, we will do one more problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2007 in bank recruitment exam. The area of the rectangular field is 2100 square meters. If the field is 60 meters long, find its perimeter. That is the question. 4 options are also given. So, area of the rectangular field is given as 2100 square meters. See, ABCD I am taking it as rectangular field. Area is 2100 square meters. Length is given as 60 meters. What is the area of the rectangle? L into B. So, L into B is equal to 2100 square meters. What is length? Length is equal to 60 meters. So, L into B is equal to 2100. No, so 60 into B is equal to 2100. So, what is B value? 2100 by 60, that is 35 meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangular field? 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into 60 plus 35, that is 2 into 95, that is 190 meters. That is perimeter. Perimeter of the field is 190 meters. But what are options? 180 meters, 210 meters, 240 meters. So, 190 meters is not there. So, correct option is none of this.